Meet Matt. Matt was a silly goose and dropped his phone. Now his screen is broken, and he doesn't want to send his phone away for repair because he doesn't want to be without it, as he relies on it to keep in touch with his friends and family, his work, emails, banking. You get the point. Basically nowadays, like Matt, we just can't afford to be without our phones in our everyday lives. Our technicians have years of experience and are prepared to handle almost any situation you throw at them. Drop your phone into us and we'll have it up and running again within an hour in most situations. We are proud of our fast quality repairs, experienced technicians, and friendly customer service. Get in touch today.